My computer crashed from too many collaboration apps running best thing that ever happened. Click the link in the description to get your lifetime deal on the solution that saved my sanity. Let me paint you a picture. Slack for messaging, Zoom for calls, Trello for tasks, Google Docs for files. It's like trying to cook a gourmet meal while running between 4 different kitchens. Exhausting, right? That's why discovering Edworking felt like finding a unicorn. It's an all-in-one collaboration platform that replaces all those separate tools. One app, one tab, one monthly payment. Actually, scratch that no monthly payment. Edworking gives you everything your team needs: a customizable Kanban board for managing tasks, integrated group and private chats, HD video calls with unlimited meeting spaces, and document creation all in one place. No more tab-hopping madness. Plus, you get unlimited tasks, subtasks, and storage with files up to 1 GB each. There's even AI integration to boost your productivity. Now, here's the brilliant bit. Edworking normally costs about $360 annually for just 5 users. But right now on AppSumo, you can get lifetime access. Yes, lifetime starting at just $69 for 5 team members. That's less than what you'd pay for 2 months of those other tools combined. And if you're new to AppSumo, you'll get an extra 10% off. There are bigger plans available too if you need more team members, and everything comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't miss this chance to simplify your workflow forever. Click the link in the description now to grab this lifetime deal before it disappears. Your future, less stressed self will thank you, and your computer might too.